Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. It's a very similar structure to gold, with the difference that silver moved much deeper into our trend reversal area here on the 10th of March and reversed out of it quite impulsively. I mean, gold did that as well. It's just that we came deeper into it, giving a clearer picture that this was probably all of wave 2. Now, taking the bigger picture into account, it is of course possible that of these significant swing lows back in August, we rallied. At the moment, I've counted it as a 1-2-1-2 setup, yeah. But that this second 1-2 setup, which is bullish, that this wave 2 was only the A wave, currently moving up in a B wave, even though it looks quite impulsive. And we would then still come down in a C wave later to reset wave 2. Oops, supposed to be a 2 anyway. And then we would rally in a third wave. Yeah, so this is, they are both bullish scenarios. We are now clearly at a key decision point here for silver. So far, it's nicely worked out. Our trend reversal area discussed in the last video provided good support. We are set up for higher now, but note that we're just now heading into the pivot into resistance. So we're going to talk about that in this particular video. But overall, as long as we're holding now 2241, you know, we are bullish. And then especially as long as we are holding the green support area at 1947, you know, if we break the orange box, which is 2240, then we're heading obviously into the fallback scenario. That would be the green box. And if we drop below that one, yeah, then we have to say, okay, there's something bearish going on. For example, like an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave, with then an impulsive move down, even though that move up looks quite impulsive. So I'm rather at the moment not focusing on that, but we always need to keep it in mind. But for now, we are in a solid uptrend already. So just zooming in a little bit, looking at this price action that occurred, or that has been occurring since the 10th of March. So looking at it, just one second. So zooming in, we had this wave 1. So it's certainly a 5-wave move to the upside to the 20th of March. It's quite a impulsive move. So I'm counting that as a 5-wave move. I'm going to take the subwaves out now. Don't need them anymore. Then in the last video, so I haven't changed anything since the last video. I might just need to move everything further along here. Something we always have to do due to these, due to all the structures and everything and the waves moving. But we moved up then in another wave 1-2. So I gave you in the last video, I think it was a trend reversal area, which was successful. So silver touched it twice and then starts to rally now. So it could very well be that this is now a third wave, and there should be a fourth and a fifth. So you can see how this can cascade to the upside. And so far, I think it was correct to stay here on the bullish path. Also with the analysis, but again, be aware that as soon as we drop below support, things can change. So at the moment, the relevant support level is here, the last swing low at 2280. Okay, if we drop below that, we still have 2241 as support, and then we have the green box. But for now, as long as we're holding here the low that was printed on the 27th of March, the focus is on higher. Now, what I cannot answer you at the moment is the question, is this a third wave or is this going to be another 1-2 setup? Yeah, but for now, trend is up. It continues to develop that way. What we can do, we can now calculate the target here for the orange third wave. And here we talk about the 1.618 extension at around $25. So if we now reach $25, I would count this as a third wave. So no wave count change to the previous video. It's playing out so far. We just need to be aware that this could of course be a B wave, as I said, you know, in the bearish scenario. So we are just heading into the pivot, basically into the decision area, into the resistance area, because let's face it, between now and, oops, no, not black, looks like a black hole. 1 second. Ooh, I just need to, yeah, okay. So this here is resistance now, yeah, all the way up to that B wave high that was printed on the 2nd of February all of this is now going to be resistance. So we are between support and resistance. If it can push through here, then I think we can cascade further here to the upside in that extension of the 5-wave impulse. Eventually, yeah, you know, to $30 plus actually. But at the moment, this is a little unclear. Now we can add, I think we might see it better on the log chart. No, it doesn't make a difference. I think we can add here a bit of a trend line or a trend channel in which the price is moving. A break out of that trend channel to the downside would indicate that this sort of local uptrend is over. But for now, it's just nicely following that path, and there's no reason here to change in any way the wave count or the perspective. So at the moment, the trend is up, especially against the low that was made on the 27th and again on the 28th of March. And it's good, some good upside here, yeah, some good upside. And you can see, however, how relevant this level was. And I mean, this resistance area is between basically $24 and, yeah, you know, $24.70. You can see how relevant it was because early January we just couldn't get above it. So this is going to be quite a relevant area to get above. Above that level, if we can break above it, then we've got the next resistance at $26.25 and $27. Would think this is quite a relevant one. This significant spike from the 10th of March last year, actually. But yeah, it's looking good so far. Again, just quick reminder, this could be just ABC, yeah, and now possibly moving down in a wave 1, yeah, moving up in a wave 2, coming down. So this would be the bearish case. Don't necessarily follow that at the moment. However, even in another bullish scenario, this could be a 1-2-1-2 with a wave 2 not being finished, and this was just an A wave, B wave, C wave. But again, as long as we're holding the low that was made on the 27th of March, we can focus here on the current wave count, because in this wave count that's on the chart, that low of the 27th, 28th of March should not be broken anymore for the next few weeks, I would say. So that's going to be interesting. Keep you updated. Hope you liked the update about silver. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.